So here we are, April 24th, 2024. I just made a super popular TikTok style video about this pepper I grew in my gar-in Trinidad chocolate scorpion. It's not super ripe, but I cut it open and it's just dripping with, I don't know, whatever that fluid is in there. It's a pretty hot pepper. So I'm gonna do what I do. I'm gonna put this in here, mix this up in some salsa, just some store brand salsa, but it really kind of brings it all together. All right, so there we go. I got some nachos here. That's going to help a lot with some cheese on there. I'm going to stir that pepper around in there. I chopped it up pretty good, but it's not that fine. There's going to be some chunks in there. So you want to put a couple little dabs of that around there. Grab one of these and just eat it like a nacho. Yeah, it's got a little, get out of here, fly. Takes a few seconds to get, yeah. All right, we're going to go a little more. That ought to do it. Man, it was really, the flavor you get before you get the heat. Now here's some tomatoes actually. Ooh, there's the heat. The flavor that you get before the heat though is really the amazing thing. Oh yeah, and the other thing you can do if you like a little punch with your lunch is get you a little toothpick. Take a little, that's a pretty big pumpkin seed size, but just crunch down right on that. Wow, it tastes, it's almost kind of soapy, like wow, a lot of flavors in there. I'm telling you, for a pepper that wasn't even ripe, that's pretty hot pepper. When these get riper, they're going to be fantastic. So yeah, get out in the garden and TikTok